English podcast spot. Learn English with podcast.
Okay, we are here.
Yes, we are at the restaurant.
What do I say to the waiter?
Say, table for two, please.
Table for two. Okay, easy. Table for two peoples, please.
Of course, right this way.
Two peoples.
I know.
And that is why we are here today. Welcome back, everyone. I am Emma.
And I am David. I said two peoples today.
Today we are at a restaurant in English.
From the door to the dessert.
Yes, you will learn how to ask for a table, how to order food, how to ask for the bill.
Simple words, easy English, real life.
After this episode, you will know what to say at any restaurant in English.
Excited. Let's go.
Okay, David, you walk into a restaurant. What do you do first?
I look for a table?
Yes, but first you talk to someone at the door.
What do I say?
You say, "A table for two, please."
A table for two, please.
Good, very good.
What if I see an empty table?
You ask, "Is this table free?"
Is this table free? What does that mean?
It means, "Can I sit here?"
Oh, simple.
Yes, very simple. The waiter will say yes or sorry, it is reserved.
Reserved. What is reserved?
Reserved means someone called before. They said, "I want this table."
Oh, so the table has a name on it.
Yes, like that.
Okay, so I sit down, then what?
You need the menu. How do you ask?
Can I have the menu, please?
Perfect. Very good.
Or can I see the menu?
Yes, both are good. Can I have or can I see? Both work.
Great. So I have the menu, I look at it, and I don't know many words.
That happens to me too.
So what do I do?
Ask the waiter. Say, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend? That means what is good here.
Yes, you ask the waiter, "What should I try?"
Oh, that is a smart question.
Very smart. Waiters love that question.
What do you recommend? I like that.
You can also ask, "What is today's special?"
Today's special. What is that?
Every day, some restaurants have one or two good dishes, fresh food. That is the special.
Oh, like the best dish of the day.
Yes, the best dish of the day.
Okay, now I know what I want. How do I order?
You say, "I would like."
I would like, not I want.
I want is okay, but I would like is more polite.
I would like the pasta, please.
Perfect. Or, "Can I have the soup, please?"
I would like and can I have. Both good?
Both are perfect.
Okay. The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" And I say, "I would like the steak, please."
Good. Then the waiter asks, "How would you like your steak?"
How would I like my steak?
It means, do you want it well done, medium, or rare?
Well done, medium, rare. What do these mean?
Well done means cooked a lot. Medium means cooked in the middle. Rare means not cooked much, a little pink inside.
I always say well done. I don't like pink meat.
Me too. So you say, "Well done, please."
Well done, please. Easy.
Now, drinks. The waiter asks, "What would you like to drink?"
And I say, "I would like a water, please."
Perfect. Or Can I have a glass of juice, please?
Can I have a glass of juice, please? Good. What if I don't know what drinks they have?
You ask, what do you have?
What do you have? Simple.
Very simple. The waiter will tell you.
Okay, I ate my food. It was very good. Now I want to leave. What do I say?
You ask for the bill. You say, can I have the bill, please?
The bill. That is the paper. How much to pay?
Yes. In America, people say check. In the UK, they say bill.
Can I have the bill, please? Or can I have the check, please?
Both are correct.
And if the food was very good, can I say something?
Yes. Say, it was delicious. Thank you.
It was delicious. Thank you.
The waiter will be very happy.
People don't say that enough.
No, they don't. It's a small thing, but it is very nice.
Okay, I know the full restaurant in English now.
From the door to the dessert.
From the door to the dessert.
A lot of people feel scared in restaurants, in English.
I know. I said two peoples today.
But the waiter understood you. He took you to your table.
That is true. He didn't laugh.
People in restaurants want to help you. They don't want perfect English. They want to know what you want to eat.
So just say something even if it's not perfect.
Always. A few simple words, a smile, and you are fine.
I think many people listening now feel this, that scared feeling when the waiter comes and your brain stops.
Yes, your brain goes blank.
But now we have the words. I would like, can I have, what do you recommend, the bill, please?
4 phrases. That's enough for any restaurant in the world.
Any restaurant in the world.
Okay, David, let's think. Why do people feel scared at restaurants?
The waiter is looking at you and waiting, and you have to say something fast.
Yes, the pressure. You feel pressure.
And your brain stops.
Yes, so what can we do?
Practice at home, maybe?
Yes, practice at home before you go to the restaurant.
Say the words out loud, not in my head.
Yes, out loud. Your mouth needs to practice too.
Like a sport, you can't learn to swim by reading.
Perfect. You have to get in the water. You have to say the words.
So I practice at home. I would like the pasta, please. Can I have the bill, please?
5 minutes. That's enough.
And then at the restaurant, the words come out easy.
Yes, because your mouth already knows them.
I also noticed something. When I say please and thank you, people are nicer.
Always. Please and thank you. Very powerful words.
In any restaurant, in any country.
Always say please. Always say thank you. Okay, everyone. Vocab time. 5 phrases for the restaurant. Let's go.
Is this table free? You see an empty table. You want to sit there.
Yes, you ask, is this table free?
It means, can I sit here?
Yes. The waiter says yes or sorry, it is reserved.
You can also say, is anyone sitting here?
Same meaning. Both are good.
So basically, is this table free means, can I sit here?
Perfect. This is a great question. What do you recommend?
It means, what is good here? What should I try?
You ask the waiter. The waiter knows the food.
And waiters love this question.
They do. You get good food and the waiter is happy.
You can also say, what is today's special?
Yes, same idea. What is the best dish today?
So basically, what do you recommend means, what is good here?
Perfect. I would like. This is how you order food.
I would like the pasta, please. I would like a water, please.
It is polite, more polite than I want.
Yes, I want is okay, but I would like is better in a restaurant.
Can I also say, can I have?
Yes. Can I have the soup, please? Also very good. So basically, I would like and can I have are both good ways to order.
Perfect. Use either one. These words are for meat, for steak.
The waiter asks, "How would you like your steak?"
Well done means cooked a lot, no pink.
Medium means in the middle, a little pink.
Rare means not cooked much, a lot of pink.
I always say well done.
Me too.
So basically, well done, medium, and rare tell the waiter how to cook your meat.
Perfect.
The bill, the paper at the end, how much to pay.
You say, can I have the bill, please?
In America, they say check.
Yes. Can I have the check, please? Same thing.
Always say please.
Always. It is a small word, but very important.
So basically, can I have the bill, please, means I am ready to pay.
Perfect. Okay, everyone. Question time. Are you ready?
Ready.
Here is the question. Think about a restaurant in English. What was hard for you? What did you not know how to say? Write it in the comments. We read every one.
I will go first. I was in London. I wanted ketchup, but I forgot the word.
What did you say?
I said, "Can I have the red tomato sauce thing?"
The red tomato sauce thing?
The waiter said, "Ketchup?"
And you got it?
I got my ketchup.
That's what matters. You got what you wanted.
Yes, not perfect, but it worked.
So tell us your story. Write it below. In English, please. It's great practice. Okay, David, we are almost done. What's your takeaway from today?
5 phrases, that's all. Is this table free? What do you recommend? I would like. Well done, please. Can I have the bill, please? Learn these, say them at home, out loud, and you are ready for any restaurant in the world.
5 phrases, any restaurant in the world.
You don't need perfect English. You need these 5 phrases and a smile.
I want to say something to you. The next time you are at a restaurant in English, don't be scared. Just say 2 words. I would like. That's enough to start.
You can do this.
You really can. Walk in, smile, say, "A table for 2, please," and enjoy your meal. Next time, we go shopping in English. How do you ask for your size? How do you ask the price? We'll show you everything.
I have some shopping stories too, very embarrassing ones.
Of course you do. If today helped you, share it with one friend, one person who's learning English.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.